Hi, this is Shri. Today I am just giving an overview of the technology Admado, how it will be helpful for the teachers and for the students for learning. Admado is a cloud-based instructional or teaching aid software that reflects the template of social networking site like Facebook in 21st century. Since it resembles social networking site like Facebook, students will be much interested in using this tool. It is a transparent tool where students can view their classmates' work so that they can get a chance to review their work and to review their exams. Parents can monitor day-to-day activities of their kids without physically attending to the school by using their kids' usernames. And for using this software, it is a free software which is available in Web 2.20, and it needs just an account to use this software, whether it is for a teacher or for a student. I have an account, and this is the interface of this Admado, www.admodo.com, and it is a cloud-based technology, so no need to install it on your computer. And now I'm going to sign in with my account. And sign up is free, and it takes just a few minutes, less than 2 minutes, to create an account here, whether it is for a teacher or whether it is for a student too. And now I'm just logging into this Admado. Oh, I'm sorry, I think okay. Again, incorrect username or password. Oh, I got it. It's cool. Okay, and this is the first home page of this website at brodo.com, and here you can look here. This is my name, and I was registered here as a teacher, and this is the latest post I can see. And here there are options like discover and insights. So usually for the students and for the teachers, it will be helpful, these latest posts. You have the option here like insights, so that teacher can see the student performance individually, and student can, it has more privacy for the teachers and for the students here. And here students and teachers, they can do posts, and students can and teachers can post regarding classroom discussions. And it also has the options like file, link, library. So any user can, either teacher or student, any user can attach a file or a link. Here they can post anything, and here we have an option like schedule, so that they can schedule the time when they want to post it. And also here an option like send to option, so they can send this to the specific group of people, or a teacher, or for a student. So I like this software very much. And here there is an option to give alerts and to give notes too. And here this is for posting an assignment, loading assignment, describing about the assignment, and teachers can set the due date for this assignment. And same for quiz, and load a previously created quiz. They can load the previously created quiz, either it may be a PowerPoint or a PDF or Microsoft Word. And here there is an option like poll, the ratings for the teachers or for the students, so peers can review on their other students. And here planner is available in the software. I think it is user friendly for both the students and the teachers. Even for K7 K6 grade students, 6th grade students, they can easily use this software. So this is the planner here for the week and for month. This will be mostly useful for the teachers as well as for the students too. This is the progress. Teachers can view the progress of their students. And this is the library. So students can access the links from this library, or also teachers can add links to this library. And this is very easy interface, and it has not that much of too many options, so that it's very easy to use this for the teachers and for the students and parents as well, to look at their student or their kid current status. So that's it. And here this profile is to maintain their own profile, and in account, just like in Gmail or Facebook, here are the settings like reporting a problem and the setting options, inviting other teachers to this. There is an option like log out. Thank you so much.